Okay, so we are now beginning our walkthrough of downtown Las Vegas. We are in the Fremont East District between 7th and 6th Street. We're going to show you what you can expect if you come this way. There's a place here called The Market. There's a club here, which I don't believe is probably open yet, but obviously feature various musical performers. Not sure what it's called, but I'll bet you if we get up to the front, it'll tell us. Across the street, obviously the classic El Cortez, where I'm making my home. And take a look at this. It's the backstage. Go over there. Additional things. Looks like I could have crossed the street, but I chose not to. The Emergency Arts Building, which I think used to be a hospital or a clinic or something, and now it's kind of a general retail establishment of some sort. It's nothing like a red light. No, we are just about clear. No. This place is called the Commonwealth. And here's a restaurant that actually gets quite a bit of positive press, Le Thai. Can't see it because of the glare, but Le Thai. So if you like Thai food, you might check that out. Gets very good marks. Salon of Beauty. This club is called Corduroy. This is the Griffin. This has been here a while. Ahead on our left. Straight ahead. Flippin' Good Burgers. You can see the Heart Attack Grill across the street. If you want to eat giant hamburgers and be spanked by women in nurses' outfits, and who really doesn't? That's an option for you. Getting ready to cross Las Vegas Boulevard. Some of you know that as the Strip. It's Tennessee's Tavern across the street. You look down this street, of course, at the very end of it you can see the Stratosphere, which is not surprising.
And she was dancing with the
Just like we can go now. So we will go now. This last little section of the Fremont East experience here. And of course we'll show you the casinos on Fremont Street, but most of you have already seen that. Tennessee's Tavern. That is the zip line. You can fly very high in the air on Slotzilla. I can't say, in theory, it appeals to me. When I start looking at it, it does not appeal to me. There is a Walking Dead attraction down here. I will probably not be checking that out either. Oh, look at that. We zoomed way in by accident, that's all. Mickey Finn's Fish House and Bar. We might actually edit that out this time. Fear the Walking Dead survival game. So if you're a big Walking Dead fan, it's an opportunity for you right there. Here's the entrance to Slotzilla if you want to buy tickets. And the world famous Walgreens. And the world famous guy on a motorcycle. Look at that. Zooming in and out. And for those of us who are big fans of White Castle, there is White Castle. I may end up having one later tonight. Anyway, that's a look at the Fremont Street experience, or I should say the Fremont East area. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel.